likes to think about their death, but planning what will happen to your assets like your money or your home, very important after you die, can make it a lot easier on your loved ones.
And in our series of Money Talks, certified financial planner Ed Gjertsen of Engage Wealth Group is giving us the basics of estate planning.
Estate planning is legal documents that you have in place to speak for you when you can't speak for yourself. There are three cornerstone documents in an estate plan. One of the first and foremost is what's known as a last will and testament. And this gives guidance and directions on what happens to your assets in the event of your passing. Powers of attorney for healthcare are there in the event that you cannot make decisions on your behalf. Powers of attorney for property are designed to allow people to handle things like paying your bills, balancing your checkbook, making deposits. You don't need the same agent for both. When creating an estate plan, one of the first things to do is to talk amongst yourself in terms of what your wishes and hopes are. If you have children, you want to make sure that in your will, you outline who the guardians will be. Asking that person beforehand if they're willing to serve in that role can go a long way in terms of making a smooth transition upon your passing. If you don't have the resources to engage an estate planning attorney, there's a couple of different ways a couple of resources to look at. Some employers offer prepaid legal benefits where you can engage with the attorney to put some of these basic documents in place. Also, another way of reducing expenses is, again, a DIY route, right? You can go online and on the internet and get these documents, but it's really important to remember these are legal documents. One of the important elements in estate planning is choosing an executor for your will. So their job is to shepherd the estate through that process. You can choose someone in your family, you can choose friends, or you can choose a professional to help you through that. Estate taxes are taxes individuals pay based upon the size of their estate. The federal estate tax exclusion right now is around $13.99 million. These would include things like your financial accounts, so savings, investing, IRAs, your house. Life insurance is includable in your estate. An individual should review their estate plan on a periodic basis. The more complicated your overall finances and your overall family structure may need for you to re-engage with an attorney and review your estate plan. Your legal documents should be kept in a safe place. So this could be a safety deposit box at a local bank. It could be in a fireproof box in your home. These documents over time can be changed and updated. So thinking ahead, proper planning, engaging with an estate planning attorney can really help potentially mitigate the effects of estate taxes.